Hey folks, today we're talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps, The Modern Layperson's Guide to Enlightenment by Swami Pranayomama. That's a name I made up because it's funny. I ain't no Swami or guru, but I've collected a lot of good ideas. I put them to use for myself. About 75% follow my own advice. Okay, 70%. Chapter 7, Sticky Energy. This is a really big one. We send out what some people call energy cords. We sink our hooks into other people. We want their attention, their love. We want them to like us or to notice us. Or sometimes it's energy of repulsion, aversion, pushing away. And the idea with sticky energy is to notice when we are being what some people call energy vampires. And if you want to truly not give a fuck, you have to let other people be free. Notice when they're not available to give you attention and allow them their freedom, yet interact with them from that space. And it feels so good when people do that to you. And you know how it is, sometimes people just talk at you and they require your attention and you're saying like, I got to go to work now. Come on, leave me alone. And there's other times when people are just okay as they are, allow you to be as you are, and you can interact freely. So if you want to learn how to not give a fuck, notice how you apply sticky energy to other people and learn not to. Learn to allow other people to be free, and you will be free, and you will stop giving a fuck. So thanks for watching. Pick up a copy of the book, and have a great life.